Artificial intelligence doesn't replace project leadership. It amplifies it by turning manual coordination into faster, smarter orchestration. In this training, you'll see how modern project leaders use AI to guide delivery with more foresight, control, and strategic focus. Think of the AI-enhanced project lifecycle as an overlay on methods you already trust, including PMI and Prince2. It doesn't replace professional delivery standards. It adds AI where prediction, synthesis, and decision support can strengthen them. That means the framework modernizes project work while keeping governance, structure, and accountability firmly in place. Predictive AI looks at patterns in past and current data to estimate where schedule, cost, or delivery performance is heading. Generative AI creates first drafts like charters, summaries, and planning artifacts, so teams can move faster from idea to working output. Prescriptive AI goes one step further by recommending actions. Knowing those boundaries helps leaders trust the right tool for the right decision. Predictive AI helps answer a practical leadership question. Where is this project likely to land if current patterns continue? It can forecast schedule slippage, flag cost variance early, and model resource demand before shortfalls disrupt delivery. That gives project leaders earlier visibility, so intervention happens before the dashboard turns into a postmortem. Generative AI is especially useful when teams face the blank page at the start of a project. It can draft project charters, summarize meetings, and sketch an initial work breakdown structure in minutes instead of hours. The value isn't perfect output on the first try. It's faster momentum during initiation and planning. Prescriptive AI doesn't just tell you what may happen. It suggests what to do next. That might mean recommending a resource shift, surfacing options to unblock a bottleneck, or proposing risk responses based on likely impact. But the final call still belongs to leadership. AI supports judgment. It doesn't replace it. To use AI responsibly in projects, leaders need a governance model, not just a tool policy. The AI governance matrix brings together 3 pillars: algorithmic trust, data velocity, and human-in-the-loop oversight. Together, they help teams move quickly without sacrificing safety, accountability, or professional standards. Algorithmic trust begins with a basic question. Why should this team trust the results? Leaders also need to see the transparency, bias risk, and quality of the training data or model inputs behind results. This is crucial when AI affects resource allocation, performance evaluation, or any decision impacting people and outcomes. Data velocity changes project oversight from static reporting to continuous monitoring. Instead of waiting for a weekly update, leaders can see patterns as they emerge across progress, workload, and delivery risk. The real skill is filtering signal from noise, so attention stays on indicators that actually move project health. Human-in-the-loop oversight is the control point that keeps AI useful and safe in real project settings. Forecasts, assessments, and recommendations should be reviewed by a qualified professional before action is taken or information is distributed. Speed matters. However, validation matters even more. Across PMI-style process groups, AI adds value where leaders need better foresight and stronger planning discipline. In initiation and planning, it can synthesize inputs, simulate scenarios, and test critical path assumptions before they harden into commitments. That reduces optimism bias and helps teams build better business cases, schedules, and delivery plans from the start. During execution, AI can automate routine coordination work that normally drains project momentum. In monitoring, it continuously checks for variance and can spot early signals like velocity drift before milestones are missed. That means fewer surprises, faster escalation, and better control over delivery performance. AI also adds value at closing, where many organizations struggle to turn experience into reusable knowledge. It can cluster communications, surface recurring issues, and organize lessons learned into patterns people can actually search and use. That turns project closure from archive storage into an intelligent knowledge base for the next initiative. AI leadership is also ethical leadership. Bias, transparency, privacy, and security all shape whether a system should be trusted. These are not side issues for technical teams to solve alone. They are governance responsibilities for project leaders and sponsors. Responsible delivery means asking not only can we use AI, but should we use it this way? Privacy and security start with knowing which project data is safe for AI use and which data must stay restricted. That includes applying zero data retention principles where appropriate and protecting sensitive commercial, operational, or people data from casual exposure. Strong leaders define the boundary clearly, so teams can use AI confidently without guessing what is allowed. When AI handles more of the administrative load, the project leader's role becomes more strategic. Time shifts away from task chasing and status consolidation and towards stakeholder influence, complex problem solving, and team morale. That is the real upgrade: less manual coordination, more value orchestration. The mindset shift is clear. Great project leaders don't just react faster, they use AI insight to lead earlier and steer outcomes before issues fully surface. Used well, AI helps you move from reactive management to predictive leadership.